Nicaraguan customers purchased the EA960SP4 stadium LED screen, which has become a shining pearl around the stadium with its excellent performance and thoughtful design. This LED screen has an IP65 waterproof rating, is not afraid of wind and rain, and can ensure stable operation in all kinds of bad weather, bringing a continuous visual feast to the audience. Its subsequent maintenance design greatly simplifies maintenance work, reduces operating costs, and makes it more convenient to use. The adjustable bracket makes the installation more flexible and diverse, whether it is high and low or curved layout, it can easily cope with it to meet the needs of different sports venues. The installation process of the EA960SP4 Stadium LED screen is also very simple, which greatly shortens the construction period and reduces the installation cost. Its high brightness and high-definition display effect makes every game full of passion and vitality, bringing unprecedented visual experience to athletes and spectators. This LED screen is undoubtedly an ideal choice for sports venues, making every game an unforgettable memory.